Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a couple jigs that I have rigged up for working with cabinets and stuff. So the idea is that it works with my table and my JSM router plate. And what I've done is I've made a board that I'll just set here. And then I pop in a couple bench dogs that I got from Veritas. They just sit in there. And then from Woodpecker I have some spacer blocks. I use the millimeter ones. So I've got 12 on there, 12 there. So what I do is I take that, just push it into place. Take my clamp, professional clamp, one click. Push back on that, push back on that. And that's good and solid. Now I can take the piece of wood, there's some space here, but it tightens up as it goes under. So I can just take my board, push it through. This actually, you can see it lifting up a bit. That just kind of gives you the spring effect there. And I'll just push right through. So what I'll do first is go ahead and get the rotor going. We're going to raise the bit up a bit till I get to 6 millimeters up, deep, and it's a 6 millimeter. So I'm going to unlock this. I've got the hole there for that. And I'll go around twice. Let's see where that puts me. I can probably go 3 times. Let's lock that out. Start her up. What I'm doing is just making a sample so that when I do the backs on the doors, I've got a reference. I'm going to go up 2 revolutions. The table's in Imperial, so try 1. So we are just over 6. So I'm happy with that. 6.01. Pardon me, 6.1. So I like that. So that's locked in. So now what I'll do is I'll do one of these so I have a reference. Yeah, I'm good with that. So now what I'm going to do is take this apart. We're going to change out the bit. Oops, forgot to unlock. I like this table that brings the rotor right to the top. I don't need any fancy wrenches. Break that free. I have a box of tricks. Change, call it out. Now what we do is these go away. Sits right there, tight against the box. Just set it out of the way. Now with this one as our guide, we are going to start bringing this down. So we'll turn this about there. That's a good place to start. Lock it in. Once around. There we go. That just fits in there nice. About half a millimeter there. That's nice and snug. Slides in. And now what I'll do is I'll take and I'll put this on the rest of the door. So if this was a door panel, and you can see we're nice and clean all the way around. Because this part here holds me down. Oops. And she fits in just like that. There you have her.